In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw trend lines. So open your chart package, go to your tool that allows you to draw trend lines. I'm just using one in particular here. Every chart package will have a tool, a drawing tool that will allow you to draw a trend line. Now let's just draw a random line here. You can see the color of this isn't very clear at all. So I want to go in and change the color of my tool. Now once I've done that, I want to make sure I keep it set as default, and now the color here, once I delete it, will stay the same. So there's several ways of drawing trend lines, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I do it, but you normally have to have two reference points. So this is the high of the candlestick here, and this is the wick of the candlestick. Now some people say, well, and ask the question, do you draw it from the body of the candlestick? No, the correct way of doing it is from the wick, okay, high or the low of that candlestick. So I'll take it from here. I want to find another reference point, so I'm taking it across the highs to here. So now I've got two reference points, and now I have a trend line. So let's draw another one. I'm going to take one from the bottom here of the range, the low of the candlestick. I'm going to take it to the low of this candlestick here. You can see I've got a trend line into the future as well. And I'm going to take it from this low point here all the way to another reference point right here. Now these are external trend lines. Now I'm going to show you how to draw an internal trend line. So these are outside the price range. So when price comes down to a trend line, you're expecting it to find support there. But I'm just going to show you how to draw an internal trend line. So let's scrunch the chart up a little bit here. And so I'm going to go in and take it from here and find my next reference point that's the other side of this trend right here. So I've gone through the price right here, and now I've got a trend line that's running up here, but it started from the low of the trend inside this up move, impulsive move here, and across the high. Let's go and find some others that might help here. So I'm going to take one from here, this reference point, take it across all of these candlestick highs to this area right here, and now it's giving me a trend line here as well. Okay, so internal and external trend lines are very, very useful indeed. Bit of advice here is, just draw what you think looks obvious. Take it from the main tops and bottoms of trends. A lot of chart packages will have an automated trend line piece of software where you can just basically click the button, it will do the trend lines for you. Okay, so that's always good to just confirm that you put the trend lines in the right place. Otherwise you're going to have to spend some time drawing the trend lines. Make it obvious, make it look obvious, and you'll be perfectly fine. Now if I've got a trend line that's here here to here, let's say, that has no relevance on the price as we speak because the price is down here, but in the future we may be up there, and then you would have drawn this trend line months ago, and then it goes into that trend line and it's significant. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon on the next video.